Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So this video, I'm going to discuss about my one of the services which I am provided in my Telegram channel, that is Candlesticks Pattern Trader. So many questions are arising about how to use that pattern and how to do that trade. So based on that particular candlesticks pattern, that many of them are asking. So that's why I'm providing that signals on my Telegram on real time. Even previously I was providing you the RSI, a daily buy and daily sell, the condition which I already mentioned you. So that I'm going to stop you because it is a positional trade. Most of them are asking for an intraday kind of trade. So I'm going to stop that one. So the based on RSI. So what we have used, that we made a video for how we are using that RSI. So here I'm going to stop. So this is the signal where you are going to get it in the RSI. So this one we got this is my Telegram channel, uh, Candlesticks Pattern Trader, and can you able to see that message where RSI signal? So let me show you this one. So RSI signal crossed 69.8 on January. So what it means, it is giving you the sell signal. So means when the condition which I coded for that, because a lot of questions are rising from. So I already updated the scanner. So what I'm using, for example, RSI on a daily time frame, which is trading over and above 70 level. Whenever it come back below the 70 level, so we are going to sell it out. So that is what the main idea where you are using for this signal, but it is a positional sell, we cannot do in equity. So let me try to tighten. So it's a recent signal, we cannot consider, so we cannot get the back trace. So let me try it RSI daily sell. RSI 67th January, 6th January, lot of stock which we got it. So we will take for example, this is what RSI, it's a buy signal and we are going to sell signal. What is the exactly sell signal? It is a TCS. That is, can you able to see the TCS on RSI daily cross around 69.8 on January 5 around 9:40 a.m. So from that one, so we are going to get as a sell signal. That is my main idea where the RSI is trading over and above 70 on daily time frame, and then it back below to 70. So that is my key where I used for the system. So it's a very positional trade, and let's see where exactly we got that signal is on almost the January 5 at 9:40 a.m. by opening itself. So even if you are taken a position at opening itself also should be the 3,865, and then next day market going down and today it went up. So recent high should be our stop loss. It is a positional trade. So there where we are expecting the RSI is crossing below the 70 level, so we are expecting the RSI go down to the 50. So the market also we are expecting go down. So that is what the main idea. When so based on this, we can do trade in futures or options, but you cannot do in equity. So, but in RSI buy signal, so same like that. If you are seeing any buy signal which is present, that was crossing. See, can see RBL Bank on the day of 5th January, we got at 2 p.m. So let me take RBL Bank. So RBL Bank 5th of January. So this should be the 5th of January. So we got a buy entry. So what we are expecting, the RSI which is trading below 30 level, and it is coming back above the 30. That is the first time. So there we are finding out the opportunity. So after that the market is slightly moving. So this is what the lower level entry. So that is what the like a buy at low level and sell at high level. So that is based on purely positional. So most of them are asking for an intraday trade. So I'm going to change. I'm going to stop this, and I have already provided the scanner for that RSI daily cross. So if you want to take that, you can take it from my Telegram channel, which I have already shared. So you can search it with the link, right? So you can get it out and you can make use of it. So now we recently added some trading methods like intraday call breakout, and a lot of them are asking intraday. So that's why we are taken an initiative step of this one. Now I'm going to discuss how to use that RSI breakout, sorry, intraday call option or a put option breakout strategy here right now. So most of them are confused about the signal because here we are using lot of conditions for that code. So what are the codes we are using, which is a purely RSI dynamics. So when the RSI in a 15 minutes time frame, it is higher than the weekly and daily, hourly and 15 minutes. So that I am going to exactly capture as a signal, and I am providing on my Telegram channel. So this is what simply finding out a trade opportunity in that particular stocks, how I can do the trade. So that is what the main important questions, right? So whether you are going to do the trade on equity or even a future or even option, it is depend on you, and how can you place the orders, because it is a high frequency. So you need to act fast whenever you get the stock. That's why I given the trade by while initial stage itself. What is mean by the initial stage itself? Whenever any pattern which is present, for example, if you get the alert by 9:30, so you should wait up to 9:45 to the candle should close. For example, if I get signal at 9:40 in my Telegram channel, so you should take that stock and add it to in your watch list, and you wait for the next 15 minutes. That's what 9:45 till. So once this 15 minutes candle confirms, so that is the key candle. So that is a key candle where we are going to place our trade based on this call option breakout or even a put option breakout. That two scanners which I have already provided here, and you are going to getting that alert for particular thing in my Telegram channel. So now I show you. So yesterday we got that first stock which is on 7th January at 9:30 a.m. That is what a Titan. That right? So Titan, it's showing the some price. It is maybe the opening price or closing price of previous candle. Let me check it out what exactly it is. So Titan, we are going to take it as a 15 minutes time frame, and yesterday 9:30. So this should be the 9:30 candle. Around 7th January 9:30 candle. Initially the candle it started and went higher and ending with the lower. So let me understand, this is the key candle where I am going to make a trade. If you are not understand, let's keep watching clearly this once again, this same line. So we send a alert on Telegram at 9:30 that called Titan. That is a stock which we are sending a alert on Telegram at 9:30. So what we are going to do here, so we will wait up to 9:45, that candle should close. So this candle is started by 9:30 and closed by 9:45. Previous candle is started by 9:15 and closed by 9:30. So whenever the stock initiate that key candle which I sent you before, once the started of the candle, so this is the key candle. So where we are going to, most of the time we are going to focus for a buy signal, but this key candle can work for a buy as well as sell. That is what the important thing you should understand from this kind of signal. Is that right? So first I'm going to take a I know at 9:30 itself this stock I'm going to focus for my today's intraday trade. So this is happening at 9:30 and the candle is closed by 9:45. So what I'm going to take a trade. So once the candle high and low, I can mark it out. So the high and low of the candle is somewhere around 2681 is the highest price and 2654.9 is the lowest price. So here what I am going to do here, this is my sell entry point, that is called breakout kind of, and this is my buy entry point. So whenever my sell level got triggered, I'm going to make a sell trade, and my buy level got triggered, I'm going to take my buy trade. So this is the main key which I'm going to do. So but in this stock we didn't get any buy opportunity and we got a sell opportunity, so it is fallen down very big. And you are taking the risk of somewhere around 25 points. So you are seeing the 2570, it is given you more than 80 points. From this is a 2570. So if you calculate, it is more than 80 points profit with the risk of 25 points. So you should manage your risk reward ratio, because I'm sending you the alert. You can do the trade. So it is what a futures trade, or you can place the orders in equity, whatever the quantity you want as per your risk ability. So if I want to take only 100 rupees in this transaction, I'm going to place only 4 stocks. If I'm taking a multiples of lot size, I can try with the futures. That risk is depend on you. So here I'm not going to force you to do the trade. So this is the opportunity which is present on the market by the real time. So the main importance, while if you know a lot of strategies, but tracking and the real time should be the very difficult one. So this we will provide on our Telegram channel, very easiest way. So then this trade will give you a target. And the second one, should I go for an option trade based on that? Yes. How I can do the option trade based on that? If I'm going to take a trade by options, I should select a right strike price. So that is what very important. If I'm not selecting any right strike price, so I'm not going to get such a good profit. So here we got a entry around 2654. That is my entry point. That is also triggered. So we are expecting the downside, the sell triggered. So we should buy a put option. Yes, we are going to buy a put option. So what strike price? What strike price I am going to select? So there is a two chances of selecting the strike price. One should be the ATM options. If the strike price is available, we can go for a 2650 put option. Or what should be the day high? Day high is 2690. This is a day high. So we can select the day high as a strike price. That is what 2690. So we can try to 2700 put option. This is the two strike prices. You can select this to 2700 should be the ITM option, and this should be the ATM option. Don't go for a OTM options. I'm not interested to do the trade in OTM options. This is what another thing. So let me see the stock is performed. So we can try to trade. If you are trying to trade with options, what I'm going to get it. So what is my max? Everything we will see here on that video. So the strike price of the Titan, so 2700 put option is the first strike price, and then if you are going to focus for a ATM option, 2650 put option should be your strike price, the strike price available. Sorry, not a call option, 2650 put option. 2650 it's not available, I think. 264054, we are going for a 2660 put option. So 2660 put option. So this is about a 15 minutes time frame of the Titan. So where you are going to see the previous candle is very big down. So this is what the first opening candle, maybe the previous close may be higher level, maybe this option may not be traded, but even it is started by 72 rupees this particular candle. And when we got a trade opportunity by second candle itself, the third candle we are going to take an entry. So it is opening itself, we got an entry. So maybe we are going to take entry between 72 to 94. And exactly if you see 72 to 94 should be our entry point. So even if you are taken the highest level of this particular bar, so you are going to take the entry by 94 with the low as a 63 as our stop loss. Then the option is moves towards 124. Nearby 1:1 risk reward ratio is generated. And the second strike prices, if you are going to take a Titan once 2700 puts, that was in the money. 2700 put. So should be the in the money option. Let's see. This is what an entry candle. So that time the price of this option is the high of the price should be 118. Once it is broken, or if you get the entry in between that candle of 194 to 118 or 93 to 118. So I am taking as a rough calculation 118, and then it went up to maximum of 156, 100 and almost 50 points given you in the option trade. Even you can get 1,000-2,000 rupees profit on a easiest way. So that is what the another one we are going to get it out from the trade, right? So this way we can try it. So but this stock we are selecting for a bullish signal, but it fails. So because we are using the RSI scanners, so RSI when all the time frame is 60 above daily, so let's say daily, weekly, hourly, 15 minutes, all above 60, we have two valid points. One is it may be a new trend beginning, or it may be a overbought condition. So there is a reversal possible as well as continuation is also possible. So that is the two key points. So we use that key candle as our trading range, so as our stop loss and target. So based on that, so let's see how many stocks we got it. So the second one is IRCTC at 945. So let me try to do that. IRCTC at 945. So this should be the candle, and see 15 minutes of this should be the candle. So same like that, you can try to take 880 put, or you can sell a future with the stop loss of this high. So there is also be a profit because we are waiting for the breakout as well as. So that is what I'm selling you, this particular candle. What is the exact as a daily, weekly, hourly, 15 minutes. So all the RSI factors are trading above 60. So maybe new trend beginning or reversal. So this will tell us once the broken, so the maybe we are expecting reversal. If it is broken above that, we are continuation or the new trend beginning. So that is the main key about using this method. So it will give you such a great opportunity to make money. So this is also working. And the third one should be a BSoft at 10 a.m. Birla Soft at 10 a.m. So this should be 9:45 10 a.m. So here this stock, this is what at 10 a.m. Yesterday we got it right. Let's see the time 574. This would be the 574 at 574. Yeah, this candle. So the next candle is broken and it moves well. 582. The risk for the trade is 575 to 572, just 2.5 rupees, and then it went up to 580 to almost 6-7 rupees. If you are trying to do with the options also, that is giving you profit, and after that it triggers your stop loss. Then you got exit from the trade. Right, and what are the stocks? So almost three stocks, three got trigger your target, and finally Polycab at the fourth one at 10:15. Let's see Polycab. So whether both the sides, upside or a downside breakout is possible. Polycab at 10 o'clock. Once it is broken down, it will fallen big, and then finally, so lot more stock we got it. So ONGC at 155. India Cement. I am going to talk about India Cement. ONGC. Let's see ONGC. India Cement. It gives you such a good opportunity. Yesterday I seen that, but I didn't able to do the trade. I missed out. So ONGC 155. So at 10:45, this one initially it broken the level. What is the risk for the trade? Is almost just 40 paisa. Once it is broken the level, it coming down to more than 80 paisa. So then our target is, that's why I told you. So this is what very minimum stop loss trade, and we need to act fast. So before, that's why we are sending the alert um, before the close of the candle, or by starting of the candle itself. So this is the main key candle at 10:45. Then and finally I'm going to finish with that India Cements and Page Industries. And if the stock having good volume with option, you can go for an option trade. Otherwise you leave it. Don't go for don't trade all the stocks with the options. India Cement, that yesterday it's more than 15% up, but we got the alert by 11:30. See, this is what the candle at 11:30. So there is a two key one. So let's try with, this is the risk for the 11:30 candle. 219, 216, 3 rupees. Initially it triggers your sell signal, finally fails. You may be exiting with this stop loss, but if your reversal from 219 it went up to 247. So but that key where it is confirmed at this particular candle. So that is a big movement. So we don't expect after that it will happen, but we find out this level should be the key, and this level should be the key. Initially it break down and it fails all, and it recovers very quick, and it gives a huge movement. And then we are seeing that Polycab at Page Industries, that is not a good because the stock value is 43,700. So we don't go for intraday also. It is a trading with a big gap. And SRF at 12 p.m. Let's see SRF 12 p.m. where it is 12:45, 12:15. This one. This is the candle high. We are going to buy at 2445 and 2433. Almost 10 rupees stop loss. Next candle itself it broken that, and it went up to 2459. Maybe it triggers your stop loss initially, and then it triggers your entry point, and it moves well. But here it is a confusing trade. maybe you are hitting two sets stop loss, and then it went up huge. But even if you are taking a very minimum risk, 10 rupees, right? So here almost we seen lot of stocks, and Grasim at 12.15, where it is, this one 12.15, this one is a 12.15. So the high for the trade and the low for the trade is 86 to 98 12 rupees. Initially it broken down, from there it went up to 76. From 86, 10 rupees is generated, and then it triggers your stop loss. Very minimum stop loss. If the stock runs, you are going to get a huge benefit. So here we have seen almost 4 or 5 stocks. Again, there is a RSI crossover. This signal is based on RSI 70 and RSI 30. So whenever it crossed that level from 30, so we are going to give you a signal, and when it is crossed 70 below 70 from above 70, so then that time we are giving a sell signal. This is what a sell signal. So we are going to focus for a positionally, but these are the signals which you are going to use for an intraday. If you are liquid stocks, you can. And if you are finding out if any stock which is coming in the morning by the starting of the day, so having good accuracy, because by the trend may be trend may be confirmed by the earlier of the day, so not by end of the day. So even if you are getting a trade after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, so you can simply ignore that, because it may be continue as a positional. And ABFRL and Pedialyte and Alchem Lab. Alchem was happening by 115. Let's see what happened in Alchem. So 115, this was a 115 candle, and after that it gives you big movement. But the intraday trade we cannot getting at the last 15 or last 15 minutes candle. So this one, and previously what we have seen, Alchem, before Alchem, Pedialyte and ABFRL. ABFRL at what time? ABFRL at 1 p.m. that was 12:45. ABFRL 12:45 and Pedialyte 1 p.m. ABFRL 12:45 should be this one. 12:45 should be this, and it initially triggers your high, and it fallen down after breaking the low. And Pedialyte Industries, and this was happening by 1 p.m. maybe this, maybe this. Initially it broken, and the risk for the trade 725 and 711, so almost 14 points. So from there it went up to 697. That 14 point it gives you. So minimum risk, minimum profit. So I'm not if you are getting a earlier signal, so that will be its best benefit for the trade. And after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, so don't go for intraday. So what conditions we are used for the scanner? Daily RSI, weekly RSI, hourly RSI, and 15 minutes RSI, all above 60. So two chances for the trade. One is breakout and another is breakdown. So make use of it, the 15 minutes candle, so that once it is broken we are going to use for a breakout, and once it is break we are going to use for a breakdown. So the key candle is we are sending the alert by starting time frame. So if it is 9:30, so you should wait for a 9:45 to candle close, and this is as a reference candle. So we are going to make our strategy. If the stock which is having good volume in options, even you can try to trade in options. The stock doesn't have any good volume, simply avoid the stock, and you can try with a better to avoid, because if the stock having trading with a gap means there is a chances to our stop loss not get be triggered. So that is the importance. So if it is a good volume stock, you can make use of it. And that's about my video, and this is for my subscribers who are asked by a lot of questions. So I hope I am cleared about all your questions. If anyone want to that RSI 30 and 70, that you know that for a positional trade, not for intraday. So RSI 70, and when it is coming down to 69.8, or RSI below 30 and it is back below coming to 30.2, these signals we have already provided the scanners. If you want to the scanner, you can message me on Telegram. I will provide the scanner. I think I have already shared my on Telegram channel. You can go and search it. If you are personally want, I can share you the scanner with my Telegram channel also. So I'm going to stop that RSI scanners, because I'm paying for that and I'm sending you the alert, right? Alert will not be sent as a free of cost. It is I'm paying for that, so that's why I'm going to stop this. If you want, you can get the scanner and you can make use of it. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel, and if you liked it, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.